Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.